Hey guys, Andrew McFarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you're happy and healthy. Today we are talking about offering weekly specials in your business. What are my thoughts around this? What are some key things that you definitely want to know if this is something you're going to take on? But before I dive in, if you're new to the channel and you don't know who I am and you don't know what we do, over the last decade, myself and our company has had the pleasure of supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world launch and scale successful juice concepts and smoothie concepts and acai bowl businesses and smoothie trucks and healthy cafes and more, as well as running our own businesses in this arena. So all the information on this channel is coming from that wealth of experience. And early invitation to press the like button to support the channel. As you know, these videos do take a lot of energy to make, and they're all free. Pressing the like button is free, so appreciate your support. And then lastly, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you surely want to do that so you get alerted anytime we release new content. Hit the alert notification bell. And now we will dive in. So sometimes when you are not experienced in this industry, you might over-assume the ease of doing things as simple as a weekly special. And I want to break down some of the things that might make it a little bit more complicated, but also what the benefit of doing it is and how you want to do it and all these things. So we've all been to restaurants, we all go to cafes, and you might have a special of the day. It could be a soup of the day, or it could be a special, salad this week, or whatever it is. Oftentimes, the reason that this is happening, if you don't know, is because that cafe or restaurant or juice bar has something in abundance, meaning that they may have over-ordered a specific ingredient, or they've got a farmer that might have reached out and said, hey, we've got a lot of tomatoes this season and we can give you a great deal on these tomatoes. Would you like to get them at a discount? So usually it's a cost-saving mechanism that then inspires some creativity. So then the restaurant will say, you know what, we can do maybe a tomato bisque soup or something. That is going to be great for the customers, and we'll save a lot of money / make a lot of money on this. Now, this is something that you can definitely take on, and the value to the business is that, as I mentioned, the value to the consumer is there's a level of excitement. People always want to try new things, and that's really great, but people also like consistency. So having a menu that is able to sprinkle in or pepper in different specials on top of the core offerings that the customers are used to, that's really, really great. If you can do it, and you can do it well, because this does require a lot of creativity. You have to know a lot about your costs and making sure that you're pricing the product appropriately, because a lot of times people don't do that, even for their menu items that they have measurements on that they've used for years and years. They don't even know what the product costs are. So you have to know that. You have to know how to train your staff on it. So you have to get to a place where everyone in the team who is preparing that product knows how to make it well and consistently. Because the downside is if that happens and you run a special and you say, hey, we got this new juice, it's on special, and guess what? It's inconsistent. Maybe it doesn't taste so good. You're losing money on it. Those are not good things, right? Those are obviously going to harm and hurt your business. So you want to make sure you overcome those elements. But just to summarize, I'm a big fan. I think that having a menu, foundational menu, core items is a really good idea with certain specials that you bring in. They could be seasonal specials. They don't have to be weekly specials, because a weekly special could be too dynamic for your business. But you might have a seasonal special when watermelon juice comes into season, or maybe you've got pears that are in season, so you create a very simple pear juice. Okay, these are things that you can also discount slightly so that it incentivizes people to buy them, assuming you still maintain your profit margin. So maybe if your average price point for your juices are something like $6 or $8, maybe you might say, okay, this is $5 or $7, so save $1 when you buy this special. And it creates urgency because you can sign up email blasts on your Instagram, wherever you're marketing to people. Come down for this season special, limited time. People, as they say, scarcity defines value and provides value. And so if you are in a place where you wanted to create a little bit of scarcity to get more customers in at a given period of time, having people think in their mind that, oh, this is only going to be on the shelf for another week, 2 weeks, or whatever the time frame is, could be really helpful when it comes to getting people back into the business. So I highly recommend it, but it does take a certain amount of understanding operationally to do this well and execute on it well. But as a theory and as a strategy, I'm a big fan. So hope this has been helpful. If you guys do need support with your menu development or any other aspect of your menu or of your business, I should say, starting from wherever you are to wherever you want to go, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Happy to talk about how we can help you. We have a full spectrum development firm. If you haven't pressed the like button yet, press the like button. Questions or comments, comment box below. Any buddy out there. If you're not subscribed, you definitely want to subscribe. And then lastly, podcasts on Spotify and on iTunes. It's called the Juice Bar Experts. Really easy to find us. And then if you want to follow us on Instagram, you definitely want to do that. You want to follow us because there's exclusive giveaways and things that we're only sharing on Instagram, special content, things of that nature. So until next time, hope you guys are happy and healthy. Hope this was informative and supportive, and I will see you soon. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.